Hi, this is Donna Body of Delos with a WordPress tip. Today, we're going to look at making a widget inactive. If you use widgets in your WordPress site, for example, a call to action for a special promotion in your sidebar, there might be times when you want to switch a new one in, but not lose the settings so you can re-enable it later. WordPress makes this easy. From the dashboard, choose Appearance, Widgets from the menu on the left. On the left-hand side of the widget screen, you'll see two sections, Available Widgets and Inactive Widgets. Close up the Available Widgets sections if you want to get a better look at inactive widgets. On the right-hand side, you'll see your widget areas. Open the widget area you want and drag the widget you want to save for later into inactive widgets. It'll no longer appear on the sidebar of your site, but when you want to use it again, you can drag it back into the widget area and all the settings will be the same. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us on the web for more information and tips.